Kinsun was founded in 1986. We are a professional manufacturer producing various electronic components and connectors. For example, telecommunication network connector, waterproof connector, RF antenna, medical component, car component, and standing part. Our products are compliant with UL, RoHS, and REACH. As of today, our headquarters in Taiwan has more than 300 employees. Around our 30,000 square meters factory, with planted trees and use renewable energy to protect the environment. Regarding the international certificates, we have received ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949. Besides, to satisfy the China market, we have built another 2 factories in China. We understand that innovation is equivalent to sustainability, so we set up the R&D center when our company was first established. With experienced engineers and advanced equipment, we can provide highly customized solutions, such as hearing aid connector, M12 waterproof connector, and the IoT antenna. To meet the high volume of product demands within a short period of time, we've been developing many kinds of automotive production machines. From assembling, detecting, to packaging, all can be done automatically. Kinsun has more than 30 years of experience in making precise molds. In our tooling center, there are optical grinding machines, CNC milling and turning machines, CNC fast milling machines, wire cutting machines, electrical discharge machines, drilling machines, and so on. In terms of production machinery, there are 22 units of punching machines, 22 units of plastic injection machines, including our latest micro-molding machine. Without a doubt, Kinsun has reached the world class of production level. We believe that persisting in high quality is the only way we can sustain good partnerships with customers. From the incoming inspection, designing, verification to mass production, our senior technicians strictly follow operation manual and procedure, and use precise instruments to reach the goal of zero defect. Looking into the future, we will continually commit ourselves to serve customers throughout the world and actively participate in international trade shows. We will keep innovating and offering the best solutions and the most satisfying service to our customers. Trust Kinsun. We link you to the world.